Okay, so we can't make our floors dust-free, but I do have some tips that'll make it a whole lot easier when you're sweeping them. So stick around and I'll show you how. Hey, Todd Wolf with Made by Wolf with another 2-minute tip. Today we're talking about cleaning the workshop floor. The first thing I'd say is that if you have not built your shop yet and you have the ability to put in a concrete floor, make sure that you get a professional to service that floor. I am a do-it-yourself guy. I like doing almost everything myself, but I had professionals come in the day that I did the pour on this concrete floor, and they had a power trowel. It is smooth. They put a good quality sealer on it, and that has been one of the biggest blessings in the workshop in terms of cleaning it up, is having a smooth floor. Second, most of us have spent most of our lives cleaning our floors with something like this, a push broom. They come in a variety of different sizes, and they come in a variety of different bristles. If you're going to use a push broom, the smoother the better when it comes to that. But several years ago, I made a step away from using the push broom as the main thing that I clean my floor with, to something that they use in stores and in schools, and that's this, a dust mop. This has been the biggest blessing. It doesn't work if your floor is rough, but if you have a smooth floor, this has cut my time down cleaning the workshop by probably to a quarter of what it was before. You just walk around, you collect stuff up, you push it, and I always push it over to here, and this is my last step, and that is putting in a at-floor, if you have central dust collection, an at-floor dust collection chute that you can use. This is one that is pre-made. You can also make them and put a closer on the top. But all I do with the push broom is I push stuff over to here, I push it up in, the dust collects all over this, that's what it's for, it's a dust mop, and I'm able to, with the dust collector on, just shake that off there, and all of that just goes right on up, all that small dust gets collected from that. And it has cut down the amount of dust that gets stirred up while I'm cleaning, and it has also cut down the time. So there's just a couple tips there for cleaning the workshop, cleaning your workshop floor. Again, this is Todd Wolf from Made by Wolf, and encouraging you to go out there and make something today. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this 2-minute tip. If you did, hit the subscribe and the like button. Also, check out our playlist of other 2-minute tips. They are all things that are designed to help your time in the workshop be more productive so that you can go out there and make something today.